Come on, Prince. Prince, come here, Prince. Prince. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, Prince. Prince, come here. Prince, come here. Don't follow her, you dumbass. Watch this fucker. Dumber than a motherfucking box. Watch him, baby. Watch him. He's gonna dumb in a box of rocks. Watch him. Go out, Tika. Watch this asshole follow you.
Yeah, he gonna follow me.
Let's see.
Come here.
This motherfucker's crazy as fuck. Donald Trump, you wanna eat this, huh?
Come here.
Donald Trump, you want people to eat this, huh? Look at this little son of a bitch.
Come here. Stop. Come here. Don't have a candle. Come here. Come here. Dude.
Ain't got no teeth. Can't bite nothing. Ain't like no pet bull he can maul somebody. And we don't want to eat no pet bull either, Donald Trump.
Come here.
Don't want to eat no goddamn Saint Bernard, no Husky.
Come here.
Impeach that stupid ass motherfucker. Fire that bitch. He should not be in the presidency no way. Him and that goddamn silly, stupid ass Tesla motherfucker. Elon Musk from motherfucking South Africa. Motherfucking Donald Trump got 50 fucking felonies. That motherfucker should not even be able to vote. Son of a bitch. Good boy, Prince. Prince, good boy, Prince. Prince, good boy, Prince. Prince, good boy. He's good. Tinkle, you're bad. You're messing with this poor puppy. Listen to it, watch him.
You ain't a puppy.
He mad now. He cussing your ass out.
What?
Prince, he just want to let you go out to the bathroom.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop.
Are you tired yet? He don't never get tired. Look at him. Are you mad? Prince, you mad? Are you mad? Yeah, she messing with you, the boogie woman. The boogie woman messing with the baby. Yeah, she messing with you. The boogie woman messing with you. Yes, she is. He don't even, he just snap. He don't, motherfucker, he don't give a shit.
Come here.
Donald Trump want to put him in a can so the American people can eat his ass. And some fucking cat piss on top of it. Ooh, sprinkle, sprinkle. Donald Trump, sprinkle, sprinkle. Ooh, take your motherfucking ass to the twilight zone, Donald Trump. Fuck you. Fuck you and Elon Monkey. Fuck you motherfuckers. You sorry pieces of shit. Worst presidents ever in the motherfucking history. Elon Musk and your bitch ass Donald Trump. Yeah, Elon Musk is the motherfucking president. He the one calling the shots. A dictator ass bitch. He dictating you, ain't Trump. $300 million, motherfucker. I'll fuck a duck. $300 million, I'll fuck a duck. I'll fuck you, Donald Trump. I'll fuck you up. Fuck you up all the way to hell. Fuck you up all. God bless the United States of America. And fuck Donald Trump all the way to hell. And Elon Musk all the way to hell where they need to be. Whoa. They ain't alright. They wanna cut her check, and God knows she need her check. But her got MS, and that stands for muscular dystrophy. And they won't even give her a fucking job. The motherfucker ain't never worked in a goddamn life. Motherfucker, one time she folded some towels and a beauty salon and ain't fired her, got rid of. She couldn't do it.
Come here.
Lord, but she a fuck with this dog for 15 years. She been fucking with this dog for 15 years. Until I said that's 1 decade plus 5. A decade is 10 years. Donald Trump said the economy will be good in 2 decades. That's 20 motherfucking years. What about today? I want some food. I want some fresh food. Valley and coupons and shit like this. Oh Lord, and we're gonna aspire. Motherfucker, oh, Valley to the rescue and help some motherfuckers. Your price of these spring savings. Oh Lord, happy face. Fuck a duck, fuck a duck, fuck you, I'll monkey, you testing son of a bitch, you corrupt son of a bitch. Ain't no motherfucker from Africa supposed to be running to you, United States of America. Oh, the dog don't like her ass. Why he don't like her ass, I don't know. She a stepmama. Sometimes you don't like your stepmama. Sometimes you don't like your mama. The world don't like Elon Musk and Donald Trump. Oh, don't let me step on your goddamn footprints. The motherfucker be mud. And then Shaq gotta reach over and get it like a Krispy Kreme, a hot dog, a donut. Look at he trying to creep out, go see the rest of them barking at. He'll be back. He'll be back. He sure close the door. His ass gonna be at that door hollering. You ever fuck with a dog? Oh Lord, thank you, Daddy. Oh Lord, shit is high. This a motherfucker. 40%. That's almost $200. Motherfucker, you got $200. If you got $200, you can almost get it for what? Maybe about 120, 140. I don't know. But that's a big motherfucking savings. Oh Lord, where my fans at? Oh Lord, I hope they're at the grocery store trying to get some high ass motherfucking prices of eggs. $7, $8 a dozen for 4 eggs. You might as well go and get a whole chicken. Grow your own. Yeah, I don't want to get them no chicken shit. Oh Lord, what is it? Beyonce and her jeans looking good. She looking good there, ain't she? Ain't she? What her name? Zay. Zay. Girl looking good, ain't she? She fine as a motherfucker. And then look at Fantasia. Fantasia moonwalking in some goddamn hills. There's a fine sister there. And she come up off Star Search. I think it was Star Search. Oh Lord. Look at her now. Mm-hmm.